In this video we're going to go over Builderall's video wrapper. What is up guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be going over the video wrapper tool. Now the video wrapper tool is a really powerful tool which allows you to spice up your videos. So you can add banners, you can add text, you can add animations, images and all sorts over the top of your videos, on top, to the side, anywhere you want to make your videos really pop and stand out. And that's really powerful, especially on Facebook where you're doing more intrusive marketing to grab people's attention. Because think about Google and YouTube. They're search engines. People are actively searching for a solution on them. When you're doing Facebook marketing and putting stuff on Facebook, people are looking to be entertained. They're looking to have fun. So you've got to be more in your face and a bit more out there than what you would on other platforms like YouTube and Google. So with the video wrapper tool, you can add colourful animations and all sorts of other eye-popping stuff to grab people's attention and suck them into your video. So without further ado, let's jump in.
This allows you to add images, text and stuff around your videos, so you can make them a lot more eye-popping, a lot more eye-catching, and get a lot more people to view them. So I'm going to click on Add Project and then name it Test. Click Add, and now I'm going to add a video. So when your video is added, it's going to show up here in the preview, and you can add objects. So you can add images or text. So I've just added my logo, and you can just drag that around, pick that up and make it smaller. So this will appear at the bottom of the video all the way through. It's good if you want to add your logo to your videos, add some watermarks so people don't steal your videos, or if you just want to make it more eye-catching and stand out more on social media. So I'm going to give you a quick example of the video wrapper in action. So as you can see, this is the standard video that I've just uploaded, and looking at it right now, it doesn't catch your eye very much. It's pretty bland and standard. So if you're scrolling through Facebook or Instagram, for example, this isn't going to catch your eye. So the video wrapper allows you to add objects, banners and pretty much anything to make it pop more, to make it stand out, to make it grab your attention. So the way we do this is we can come into objects and we can add images and we can add text. So for example, if I want to add some text to the bottom, I can choose all my fonts, all the alignment, the colors and stuff like that, and then I can type in my text. So I can just put awesome speaking gig or something like that, and then that comes up here. You can make it bigger, you can change the color of it to make it stand out, and then you can also change the background as well, so you can change the background color to stand out more. And that's more attention grabbing already. So we can come back into objects, we can add an image, can choose from the computer, we can add this Builderall certified partner image. So now you can see how this sticks out more on social media. You can see that this video is going to be playing in the background while they've got the static badge, the static text, and you can even add animated text and videos in there as well to play along the side, below, above, wherever you want. So if we add some more text, we can change the color to make it more eye-catching and make it stand out more. Add that, we can move that down here, and now you can see how this is much more eye-catching than just the original video. So this is the power of the video wrapper, to be able to create more eye-catching videos and get more eyeballs on your offer, on your videos, on your content in general. So there was a brief overview of Builderall's video wrapper, and I hope you got lots of ideas on how you can use this and spice up your own videos, and I hope you found value in the tool. And if you did and are ready to get started with Builderall, if you haven't already, click the link in the description to get started with your unlimited 7-day free trial of the video wrapper and all 29 plus tools of what Builderall has to offer. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the bell notification and the subscribe
to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.